Assalamu alaikum student, how are you? All you know that we finished the chapter day and night. So today we will do the chapter number 5, living things and their environment. Before this, I want to tell you, please submit your worksheet on time, okay? Because it's very important. And if you are listening and watching my PowerPoint, so it will be easy for you to do the homework, to do the worksheet. And you can also ask from me in my WhatsApp that I have this doubt, I can't do this one, and I can help you in solving the worksheet and any problem what you can ask, what you want to ask, you can ask from me in my WhatsApp. Now today we will start our new chapter, which is about living things and their environment. The first thing which we already did about living things, that living things are the things which need water, air and light, and they are growing, they can move. We all did this about this, but today we will do where they live. The place where they live are called the habitat. So the first thing we should know how the living things where they live. We will learn about it in this chapter. Okay, so first thing about the living thing in our mind, it's come that where they live. So the habitat, they live in their habitats. So first thing, what is habitat? The habitat is the place where the living things, maybe plants, uh, maybe animals, where they live. They are called, this place is called a habitat. It's habitat. For example, pond habitat, arctic habitat and forest habitat. What we see in pond habitat, we see lotus leaves, we can observe the frogs, we can observe the butterflies, dragonflies, duck. So that is called pond habitat. That is their house, that is their living place. So the place where the living things live is called their habitats. For example, we are living in Al Ain, where we have hospitals, we have the schools, we have malls, everything. So Al Ain is our habitat. Everything which we need there is available. So this is our habitat. So like this, the plants and animals also need the things where they live. For example, the duck live in the pond habitat, so they need the water. And the butterflies near the pond habitat, you see the butterflies are more there in pond habitat. So because there are more flowers, so they need flowers. Like, I will show you different types of habitat. Look, this is called the pond habitat. In real picture this is like this, and this is the animated picture. You see, in what we see in the pond habitat, duck, ducklings, dragonfly, lotus flower, the small plants, and even there are frogs also. Look, this is the frog, and also there are more butterfly. Why they live there? Because these animals need water and plants. They need water and plants, so they live near to this place. So this is called their habitat. That is called pond habitat. You can also see here mosquitoes, more small insects you can see here. And this is the another habitat, which is called soil habitat. In soil, in damp and wet soil, we can observe the earthworm, we can observe the mushrooms, ants, centipedes, millipedes, beetles. These all animals we can observe in the soil habitat. Look, this is arctic habitat. Arctic habitat is very cold habitat where these animals cannot live. So which type of animals, and there are very less plants, which type of animals live there? Like sea lion, dolphin, polar bear, and there's some type of wolves which live there. So they can live there. Why they can live? Because they have very thick skin, they have very thick and furry skin, fats of thick fat on their body. So they keep them warm. but we cannot live there. If we want to live here, we should wear the jackets, we should wear the gloves, cape, everything. For this habitat we need these all things, because this is very cold habitat. This one is desert habitat, in which the UAE is coming. Mostly area in UAE are desert habitat. Which type of habitat it is? Very warm habitat. Which type of animals live there? Like camels, we can observe camels, lizards, snakes, scorpions. This type of animals live in this desert habitat. And the plants, mostly there are the cactus plants we observe there. So in this habitat these animals and plants live. So this is called desert habitat, this is called arctic habitat, this is called soil habitat, pond habitat. There are many more habitats, like forest habitat, in which zebra, elephant, tiger and lion live there. So that is called forest habitat. Same like this, ocean habitat, in which we can observe starfish, different types of fish, different types of fish we can observe there. In the seahorse we can observe in the ocean. More things in ocean live, and also weeds, special types of plants in the oceans we can observe. So that is called ocean habitat. There are many more habitats are there, but I give you these four examples. You can search about it more. Now the homework is, you will do your activity book page number 67 and 68. If you have any doubt, you can ask from me in my WhatsApp group. In pupil book, what you will do, you will read your page number 82 in pupil book, 83 and 84. So you will understand more in good way that what is habitat, and which type of habitats are there in the world, are more habitats. Now new words are wet habitat, environment, pond and place. What you will do, take a new notebook. If you have not new notebook, the old notebook, write the name of the topic. Your lesson name is living things and their environment. Your topic is habitat. So first you will write the in the notebook you will write the new words, like wet, habitat, environment, pond and place. And in notebook you will write about what is habitat. You can see from there, you can see from your PowerPoint, um, like this. Here I wrote, I will also send the picture of this. What is habitat, you will write what is habitat, and you will you can draw the pond habitat, or maybe you can draw the soil habitat and draw the animals also there. So write first on the line side what is habitat and write this answer, and then draw the soil habitat and pond habitat. Okay, you can draw with pencil, with colors. You can draw these earthworm, mushroom. In soil habitat you can draw beetle, centipede. And pond habitat you can draw the water, ducks, lotus, okay, dragonfly, all types of plants you can draw. Okay, this is your homework and it is very important. So today homework is in your notebook and activity book. Okay, so complete your work on time and send to me in my WhatsApp. I will check it. Okay, bye bye.